Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really handy tutorial, how to embed a Google Maps app on your Wix website. Whether you're building a site for a local business, a portfolio, or just want visitors to easily find you, being able to show your location on your site makes everything easier. By the end of this video, you'll know two solid methods for integrating Google Maps, one with Wix's built-in elements and another straight from Google itself. Let's get started. So first up, let's look at how to add the Google Maps element right in Wix. On your Wix editor dashboard, you'll want to go to the left side of your screen and click the Add Elements button. In the search bar at the top, type Maps. You should see several map options pop up. Look for the one labeled Google Maps. Just click on it and drag it onto your site, wherever you want the map to appear. It could be on your contact page, homepage, or even your footer if you want it handy everywhere. This method is perfect if you want a straightforward map that you can set up in seconds. Now, let's customize it. Select your map and look for the Manage Maps or Settings option. This will let you add your specific location. Type in your business address or any spot you'd like featured. Wix will auto-update the map, centering it directly on the address you enter. You might notice there are extra settings for zoom levels or map styles. Feel free to experiment with these until the map looks just the way you need it. Having your exact location visible not only helps visitors find you, but also adds legitimacy to your site. So it's worth putting in the effort to get it right. All right, now, let's say you want a bit more control. Maybe you want to show custom pins, routes, or a very specific view. That's where embedding a map directly from Google comes in. Here's how you do it. Open a new tab and go to Google Maps. In the search bar, enter the location you want to feature. Once the map pulls up and you're happy with the spot, look for the Share button, usually near the left side of the screen or near the bottom. Click Share, and then you'll see an option that says Embed a Map. Don't worry if you've never done this before. It's just going to generate some HTML code for you. Click Embed a Map, and Google will show you a preview plus a block of HTML code. Copy that code. Just highlight it and hit Ctrl+C or Command+E. Now, head back into your Wix editor. Go to Add Elements again, but this time search for or select Embed Code. Drag the code box onto your page right where you want the map to sit. Once it's placed, click into the code box and paste in the HTML code from Google Maps. After you save and preview your site, you'll see the live, interactive map directly on your page, straight from Google. This embedding method is super powerful if you want more complex maps or features that Wix's default option doesn't support. And that's it. You now have two solid ways to embed Google Maps on your Wix site. It's up to you whether you want the simple route with Wix's built-in element or the customizability of Google's embed code. If anything feels tricky, don't worry. Sometimes these steps can be a bit fiddly, but just take it slowly and double-check each step. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you used maps on your own site. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your Wix site.